Balance the redox equation in acidic medium. The equation given is MnO4 minus plus I minus giving MnO2 plus I2. Let us divide or split this equation into two half reactions. MnO4 minus giving MnO2 and the other half is I minus giving I2. If we take this equation, MnO4 minus giving MnO2, let us look at the atoms other than oxygen or hydrogen, that is manganese. In both there is one atom of manganese each, so that is balanced. Now we will go for the oxygens. Left hand side you have 4 oxygen atoms and on the right hand side you have 2. So in order to add 2 more oxygen atoms onto the right hand side, we will add 2 molecules of water, that is 2H2O. So the number of oxygens are balanced now. Hydrogens, we have 4 hydrogens on the right hand side, but there are no hydrogens on the left hand side. So we will add 4 H plus ions. That is how we add hydrogens. And for adding oxygens, we added water molecules. Now all the atoms are balanced. Now the charges. Right hand side, there is no charge. MnO2, no overall charge or charges on the atoms, none. So 0. Water molecule, 0. Here we have minus, MnO4 minus. So 1 negative charge and 4 positive charges from the 4H plus ions. So a resultant of 3 positive charges is here. That is plus 4 and minus 1 will give you plus 3. Right hand side is 0. So to make this side also 0, we will add 3 electrons. Now we can see 3 negatives, minus 3 and minus 1 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Just like that on the right hand side. Now let us take the next equation, that is I minus giving I2. Here we have only iodine atoms. Right hand side there are 2. So let us put a 2 here. Now we have 2I minus giving I2. Right hand side the charge is 0. Whereas on the left hand side this is minus 2. So in order to make this side also minus 2, we will add 2 electrons. That is, we always add electrons to the more positive side. So now we have done that. But we have 3 electrons in the first equation and 2 electrons in the second equation. The LCM of 3 and 2 are 6. LCM is 6. And so in order to make the number of electrons equal to 6, we can multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So let us multiply and write them. So 6E minus plus 8H plus 2 MnO4 minus giving 2 MnO2 plus 4H2O. So that is the first equation. Second one, 6I minus giving 3I2 plus 6E minus. Now we can combine these equations. Before combining, we can cancel out the electrons from both equations. Now we will combine and write 2 MnO4 minus plus 6I minus plus 8H plus giving 2 MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 4H2O. So this is our balanced equation for the redox equation. MnO4 minus plus I minus giving MnO2 plus I2, and this is for the acidic medium or acid medium.